Haribol, Haribol. So today I was thinking about a question I received from a devotee recently, asking about what he should do when he gets unwanted thoughts. What should he do? So I'm reminded about Lord Chaitanya's wonderful instruction. Trinadapi sunichina tarodapi sahishnuna amanunamana dena kirtaniya sadahari. One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree, devoid of all sense of false prestige, and ready to offer all respects to others. In such a state of mind, one can chant the holy name of the Lord constantly. So, this is very clear instructions from Lord Chaitanya. What we need to do, what we need to practice in order to be able to do bhakti, and of course doing bhakti, especially in this age, means chanting the holy names. So Lord Chaitanya gives this instruction. One should chant the holy name of the Lord in a humble state of mind, thinking oneself lower than the straw in the street. One should be more tolerant than a tree. So here we get the answer to the question from this devotee that, yes, thoughts will come, unwanted thoughts, unhappy thoughts. While we're chanting, these thoughts will come, especially in the beginning stage. Nartas, as they are called, unwanted thoughts, unwanted emotions, they come. And we don't want them. They're very, how do you say, unwanted, they're disturbing, they're a nuisance, but they come nevertheless. So what should we do? So Lord Chaitanya is giving this instruction that we should tolerate. Continue chanting, of course, but when the thoughts come, we simply have to tolerate. I don't want this thought. It's unwanted. It's unhappy. But when it comes, I've got no control. So let me tolerate these unwanted thoughts and continue chanting. This is most important. So, and of course, the first instruction there, Lord Chaitanya gives, one should chant the holy names in a humble state of mind. So this humility is so necessary for chanting, for continuing to chant, is this humble state of mind. So we can pray for that as well. And then simply, when the unwanted thoughts come, we tolerate, and continue chanting. And gradually, this is the process that Cheta Darpana Marjanam. Cheta Darpana Marjanam. Marjanam means cleaning. Darpanam, the mirror. Cheta, the heart. So the dirty things, the unwanted things, thoughts, desires, are cleansed by this chanting process. So gradually, we're moving to that stage of pure Krishna consciousness. No unwanted thoughts or desires, simply thinking about Krishna, having emotions related to Krishna and wanting to serve him. This is the pure consciousness, the natural pure consciousness of the soul. And we can be encouraged that as we progress like this, we become more and more peaceful, more and more joyful. As we know, the nature of the soul is Satchit Ananda. Ananda is blissful. So in the conditioned stage, we are so unblissful. Nirananda, as Prabhupada describes. Why? Because the consciousness is polluted. But they give that example just like with water. Pure water is very nice, but if it's polluted, not nice. But it can be purified. So similarly, our consciousness can be purified by the grace of the pure devotee and this wonderful process of bhakti yoga. And then the true loving service of Sri Radha and Krishna is awakened, and at the same time we experience the true nature of the soul, this ananda, this bliss. So wishing everyone all success on the path of bhakti. Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.